Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to change folder icon on Mac. Let's start the video. This is a very interesting video. You guys will see in today's video how to change this folder icon. Okay, let's suppose I want to change this folder color to red. What I have to do, just open Google Chrome and search here red folder icon. Press enter. You can see here lots of red folder. Just select anyone and click on copy image. The image is copied. Now minimize this. Now select the folder you want to change the icon. Right click on the folder and then click on get info here, third number. Now here you can see a small folder icon. Just select this small folder icon and now press Command plus V to paste it. As you can see, the red icon of this folder is pasted here, but it is not looking very good because of the background. I can do here, press Command plus Z to back. Then just open the Chrome, download the folder here. Just click on the image. Now right click on the image. Now you can see here save image as. Click on save image as. Now select the part directory you want to download this image. Then click on save. Now what you have to do, just open a new tab and now search here BG remover. BG remover. Now open the first website remove.bg. Now what you have to do, just drag this icon on this website here. As you can see, the background of this icon is removed. Now click on download. As you can see, it is downloaded. Now again right click on this folder, click on get info, select the folder. Now drag this image to the just copy the image first. Now select the folder here small. Now press Command plus V. As you can see, the folder is red and it is looking very neat and clean now. No white background here. It is looking very amazing. Like that, you can change or add any images as well. Let's suppose I will search for Spiderman image. You can see a Spiderman image. I will select the one image. I will save image in my desktop. It is saved now. First let's check its background is white or not. Copy this image. Click on this folder you want to add image. Click on get info. Select the small icon of the folder. Now press Command plus V. As you can see, it is pasted with the white background. Okay, it is not looking very clean. We'll get back to this. Again, I will open BG remover. I will paste that Spiderman here to remove its background. I will click on download here. Click on preview. Now it is downloaded. Now copy it. Get info. Select the folder. Command plus V. The Spiderman is added without the background and it is looking amazing as you can see on my desktop. Very interesting MacBook trick to make your MacBook more attractive. This is a pretty simple steps to change your folder icon to any image or any different color. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.